Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video we'll be installing a graphics card into our PC. So if you need help with installing your graphics card and maybe you've never done it before or you forgot, so I will show you how. So I'm going to be installing this beast of a GPU, which is RTX 5070 Ti, into my PC. So as you can see, in my case everything is connected, everything is just almost finished. The only thing that's left to do is to install this beauty right over here. So guys, so what you will have to have with yourself is this little screw. Don't forget about it. So this will be attached to and screwed into, let me just move the camera. So there will be a small place in here on the left of the case where you will have to screw your card. So you will have to just basically find a place. Let me actually see where it's going to be. So it's going to be this upper place over here, I think. So now let us just begin. So it's going to be a little bit uncomfortable for me to do it this way, but I have to show you. So guys, just get everything prepared, and now just place your GPU so that it, as you can see, faces upwards, right? So not like this. Your fans have to be facing down, all right? So they have to be facing the ground, all right? And now in your motherboard, find a PCIe slot that you wish to connect your GPU into. So in my case, it's going to be this top one, okay? So also guys, make sure that this little locking mechanism is unlocked, otherwise you won't be able to put it in. And guys, let us just install it, all right? So you just carefully just put it in like this. Oh, also, I forgot about something. I need to firstly unscrew this stand so it doesn't stand in the way. Okay, like that. And now we can install. Okay, hopefully you can see this. Actually, let me pull this a little bit closer. All right, friends, now let us install it finally. So just put it in and be ready to push a bit, okay? Because you have to lock it inside, all right? So now it's seated, and now just basically press and push it inside. Okay, now just press, and as you can see, now it's successfully seated. And now just grab this little screw. I'll actually use a different screwdriver that has a magnet, okay? And I will just put my lamp so that I can actually see. And now let us just screw it in. Okay, also guys, don't forget, if you have a stand for the GPU, do not forget to use this, because this GPU in my case is quite heavy. It's about, I don't know, anywhere from 2.5 to 3 kgs in weight. So it has to be supported by something. So make sure to fix it. Okay, and now the last thing that's left to do is to simply power in your power cable. All right, so I'm using the 600-watt power cable, which is also provided with my power supply in the box. If you have this little converter, whatever you call it, that has 3 pieces on the back and 1 on the front, then you can use that as well. And let us just carefully input our cable into the GPU. And also guys, as you can see, we have this little red indicator that shows us that we didn't actually put it in. So if you, for example, put it not all the way in, or maybe you forgot, you know exactly what you've missed, as you can see with this little indicator. So make sure to always plug this in, okay? All right guys, so as you can see, everything is fine. And now everything that's left to me is to only put my protective glass and also this little panel down here. All right, so I'm putting this little plate, this filter back in. As so. All right, bingo. And now the glass. Okay guys, putting the glass back in like that, carefully, and fixate it. Okay, now guys, let me just do my wiring work and we will be finished, and I will launch the PC and you will see that it works. Okay guys, now everything is done. Let us just press the buttons and see if everything works. Yeah, as you can see, bingo, all good. So this is how it's done, guys. Don't forget any intricate details, and good luck installing. If you enjoyed this video, press like, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you soon, guys.